Hey, what's up YouTube? Q here again with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a slight modification to my Camaro. I'm just going to be upgrading the light bulbs for the reverse lights because I don't like the way they look at the moment. As you can see, if I hit the unlock button, or is it the lock button? Can't remember. Maybe they don't turn on when it's light outside. The reason I'm replacing it because I don't like the look of the incandescent bulbs that's in there. I got LED headlights, turn signals, brake lights, and all that, but the reverse bulbs are incandescent for some reason, and that light comes on a lot. So today I'm about to change that. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to see more of my videos. I'm gonna start uploading more videos, more driving videos too, since the weather's finally breaking. So I don't know exactly how to do this, but we're gonna figure it out. So I'm gonna pop the trunk. And I'm assuming we gotta remove these clips here to lift this panel off, and then we should be able to access the bulbs. So I'm using these so I don't scratch the plastic. Pop that one out. Just throw it down there. Let me spin that around. You can kind of see a little groove in there, like right here. So let me turn that around towards us. Pry underneath, pull it out. Same thing for this one. Probably should have got a smaller one. It's pretty large, but it'll work. Pull it out. Oh, damn. Don't even know where these came from. Oh yeah, so these extra clips that popped out were just sitting inside of there. So it's actually 6 little pieces. So to remove the tail light, I'm assuming I just let's see. There's a wire. I'm assuming I just twist that and pull out. Yeah, so that's a little tight down there. So I'm gonna get these channel lock pliers. Do like a little quarter turn. And then out comes the bulb. Boom, there you go. There's a towel to pull it out. So I guess I'll do that, even though I don't plan on using these again. Should pull straight out. Yep, pull right out. And this is the stock bulb right here. What we'll be replacing them with these Hyper Mini bulbs from Nokia. Never heard of this brand, but I got this off of eBay. So it looks like it'll fit. It's a 27 watt 7440 bulb. Let me plug it in, and I'll have one with the new bulb on the right side and the old one still in on the left side. Alright, so what we're gonna do, yeah, I know we should use a glove, but I'm not. Just push that on in there. Boom. Done. So I'll slide this back in there. So this just came out of a little hole in there. The camera won't be able to show it. Slide that in there. Do your little turn. I am weak, man. I can't turn that. Let me get the pliers. Alright, so I got one bulb in. I'll let you all compare the difference between the two. Unfortunately, I can't see with my own eyes, so I'll have to check it out later on. But let me go in the car again, and I'll let you all see the difference between the left and the right. so I think that looks much better. It looks like an actual LED. And the reason I didn't buy LEDs and I bought another bulb was because of LEDs. They require you put a resistor in there. From what I was reading on the forums, you don't need the resistor on the 2016 and 2018s. But on the 2019 and 2020s, you do need the resistors in the tail lights. And the kits that they were selling were like $60, $70 and more expensive than that. And these bulbs were just $20. And I think it's a cheap, easy mod. You know me, I'm lazy, man. Yeah, taking this bulb out, you gotta be gentle with this little connector right there. I use some pliers to twist it, but you gotta be gentle. And please don't cut your wires. But I barely, like I ended up tightening it up with my fingers. You can see my ashy hands right here. I tightened it back up with my fingers. But yeah, just be gentle with those pliers. See the 1, 2. I don't know where the third one is. We'll find it though. It slips right on top, so it's kind of hard to mess this up. This is so easy. 3 holes. Then we get these 3 guys. Pop that in there. That's 1. Pop this one here. 3. And then we take these 3 little guys. I don't know if they go in a certain way, but it's kind of flat. So I assume you just push them in. And I probably did that wrong. Oh, nope, did it right. Push it in. Push it in. Push it in. And that's that. It's on there tight. So let me now do the left side so we can take a look at the whole system being upgraded. So I'll get back with y'all after that. I'm actually gonna put this one in with a towel by not actually touching the bulb. That's what you're supposed to do. You don't want any smears on the bulb to get the maximum brightness. That's all how easy it was. Alright, so I got that one all fastened up now. So one thing you want to make sure you do, this corner right here, that clicks in. I didn't do it initially when I took that side off. Well, listen to this, it'll click in. There. It's all fastened. And I started to mention this earlier. I got pink eye. That's it. I'm not high, got pink eye. Not the coronavirus, I hope not. Alright, so let's take a look at what it looks like now after we added the new bulbs in there. And I can assure you that quarter turn is gonna be kind of difficult. So I had to I wedged it with one of those little the plastic things. One of these guys, I had to wedge it over. I couldn't get the pliers to tighten up this side over here. That's what I was trying to do earlier, everybody. Trying to hit the unlock button and the lights show, just like that. But I'm assuming they don't turn on when it's not completely dark. But I see people walking away from the car sometimes and it's still on. I don't get these lights. I don't know when GM's lights turn on because it's like I don't know. But yeah, that's what I was trying to do. So this is the stock reverse lights in the dark. description for these light bulbs. Let there be light. Alright, so that's gonna wrap this video up. So let me know what you think about the upgraded tail lights. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell.